welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. So for today's video, I'm going to do a pack with me. So if you don't know, I'm going for a vacation to Maharashtra, and which particular place I'm going to Maharashtra, I'm going to be revealing it really soon. You'll get to see all my travel vlogs really soon on this channel. So I thought of making this video, which is called as pack with me, as I've seen many YouTubers doing and shooting this video. So let's start with the video. Also, we have to go to trip tomorrow, and this is the bag which I'm gonna take. I'm gonna pack all my clothes and all my belongings in this bag. So the really first thing that I'm gonna do before packing is obviously I'm gonna make a to-do list. If you don't know what is a to-do list, so basically to-do list helps you to remember all the things that you need to do while packing. So I wrote down all my important belongings in the to-do list. I started from tech things like AirPods and charger, and the things like clothes, toiletries and skincare essentials. So I'm actually done with all the list and all the belongings of mine that I have to take. So सारे important चीज़ों की मैंने list बना ली है, और जो चीज़ मुझे ध्यान में नहीं आ रही, what I'm gonna do is अभी हमें एक दिन है हमारी ट्रेन को. सो ऑब्वियसली जैसे जैसे जो भी मेरा सामान याद आता जाएगा, आई एम गोना कीप इट इन माय बैग. बट जितनी भी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें मुझे याद आई एंड ऑल द थिंग्स दैट आई थिंक कि ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो सारी मैंने इसमें लिस्ट बना दी है. सो जो जो चीज़ें मैं पैक करती जाऊँगी, आई एम गोना एक्चुअली पुट अ टिक. So I started off with folding my clothes so that I can keep them in a suitcase first and then the other minor things afterwards. So these are all the clothes that I'm gonna take, and this one is a night suit that I'm gonna wear when I'll be in the train. And then we have the another top जो मैं लेके जा रही हूँ because I think it's the monsoon time, so it can rain anytime. So I have an extra cloth. So I'm gonna also take this top. And yeah, these are all the dresses that I'm gonna take. So let's keep all these clothes in my bag. So let's start. Then I kept all my dresses in the suitcase nicely and in such a way so that there could be sufficient space for the other things that are needed to be kept later. Before continuing the video, I would like to share my favorite product, which is one and only Mamaearth's Vitamin C Daily Glow Face Cream. It is crafted with the goodness of vitamin C, and it's loaded with antioxidants and helps fight free radical damage. It illuminates your skin, boosts collagen production, and reduces pigmentation. Turmeric, packed with anti-inflammatory property, protects your skin from sun damage and revives your skin's long-lost glow. It is lightweight and non-greasy and gets absorbed into skin instantly and locks in the moisture. It is Made Safe certified, which means that it is free of toxins. The best thing about Mamaearth is that their all products are free from parabens and silicons and are natural. And Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand, and every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a tree that they plant. And by 2025, they are aiming to plant over 1 million trees, which is a very good initiative. So you should definitely give this product a try. And in case you want to purchase any of their product, so you can use my coupon code, which is Bhavika 2022, to get 20% off on your purchase. Their products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, and even on Mamaearth's official website and app. They have also launched their new app wherein all the members get access to early sales and great discounts. So I'm going to provide the link of this cream in the description box down below. So for all the tech things, I'm going to keep my AirPod, and then AirPods ka charger, and then my phone ka charger. And I'm going to keep all these things in my suitcase pocket. Other basic things, I'm going to keep my toothpaste, my face wash and my toothbrush. In this pouch, I'm going to keep all the makeup and skincare related stuff. So first, sunscreen is really essential, so I'm going to keep this. And then we have the lip balm. Then we have the another sunscreen. So I'm keeping all the skincare and makeup related stuff in this pouch so that the packing task does not get messy. Then I also kept my tripod in the bag so that I can shoot a travel vlog as well during my journey. I think I have kept all the things that I need to take for 3 to 4 days trip. एंड अगर मैं कुछ भूल गई हूँ तो ऑब्वियसली जब भी मुझे वो याद आएगा कल तक तो वो मैं डाल दूंगी, बट आई थिंक जो भी मेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स थी, एसेंशियल्स थे, वो सारे मैं ऑलरेडी पैक कर चुकी हूँ. एंड आई डोंट थिंक दैट आई हैव मिस्ड एनीथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस because I've kept all the necessary things. But yeah, so that's something that I'm going to carry for this 3 to 4 days trip. And I hope you enjoyed this packing session. And if you made it till here, then comment these emojis and do let me know if you want to see more such packing videos in the future. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you next time. Bye.